What is up guys, today I'll be reviewing the KLR light batting gloves that is used while batting, and it is a light range of gloves that you can get at both online and offline as well. It ranges between 1800 to 22,000 as per the store. Also it is used by the international player KL Rahul. Starting off with the quality of the material that has been used in these gloves, I would say that it looks premium definitely, and moving it closely and watching it and seeing it, you'll find that it's a good hard covering for the fingers that will protect you. Like, it has plastics all over and it doesn't have any cost cut to it. It has nice camouflage color made on the middle part and all white classic looking gloves. SG branding and the model written here. The fittings will be amazing. And talking more about the back part, you will get that it's a split finger gloves as well as the coiled one, so you'll get an extremely good protection. Also at the same time, you'll get the flexibility to move your fingers in what way you want to. You'll get the air, like the ventilation part you'll be getting at the sides, and it goes all the way to all the fingers and this side too. You'll be getting the ventilation part in the thumb also. And if we talk more about the gloves, that the interior part, we can see that there are many holes for the ventilation for the fingers so that the palm does not get much sweaty. At the same time, if we see that the gloves are made from really good quality soft leather that will last long. The stitching part is really well done, and I would say that SG has done a really good job. Further moving to the other pair, you will see that the thumb part also is very well protected and covered. You'll get the hard plastics here also, and also you'll find that it is much comfortable than other brands gloves that are competing in this range. The straps are too of good quality, and if I wear it, I'll just show you by wearing it, one of the gloves. You can see that it has a finger. The finger part also comes with a protection, the inside protection, which is like a cork structure. And further talking, you get a greatly made gloves with good fitting as well as good protection. You also get the cuts at the side, so due to which you can have really good support and also really good finger movement. You can grip the bat easily and well, and due to the ventilation part, you'll not be getting much issues with the sweat and all. At last, I would say that these gloves are an absolutely good deal which you can go for in the range of 2000 rupees. So guys, after wearing this and experiencing it, I would say that it creates a really good grip. You can do the batting really well with these ones. Also the protection, I had tried till 120, 130, there wasn't any such issue. Once I got hit also, I would say that it has a really good protection. Inside the fingers, you get a lot of coiled and fiber structure that makes you protected all the time. Also the grip, due to these cuts and the split fingers, are really well, and I prefer the split fingers much more than the sausage ones. Also I would link the gloves in the description. You can go and check from there. Also, thanks for watching guys. I'll be with more such videos in the future. Do subscribe, like and share. Bye.